Alright guys, so how to blur an image in Adobe Photoshop. So you're gonna click this rectangle tool. If you want to blur the circle, go to filter, go to blur, go to gesture blur. You can increase the blurriness, hit OK. And if you want to do like rectangular, for example this chug jug, same thing, filter, blur, gesture blur, you can increase the blurriness. So that's it. But if you want a pretty different one, for example, if you want to blur the entire human body, then you're gonna duplicate the layer and click this object selection tool. Select the tool, select the guy. You're gonna go to select, modify, expand, 15 pixel. And now you can go to filter, blur, gesture blur again to do the blurry thing. If you want to blur the background, right click, select inverse, and then go to filter, blur, gesture blur, hit OK. Control D to deselect, and everything behind the image is blurred.